we're going to make a family recipe of biscotti, and they're a little different than...
Let me show you what we need.
Now, wait a minute, hold on.
Okay.
They're going to be slightly different than biscotti recipe that you may find anywhere else because...
Finish your speech.
Okay, we are not going to be creaming our butter. We're going to be melting it. So it's going to make it more like a cake, and we're going to be decorating them. So this is something that my mother did all the time. And we're going to try it right now and see how the boys like it. So here we go. Here's the recipe. It's handwritten.
Who wrote that?
And you have to understand that in Italian families, there aren't many written down recipes. So who wrote that? I wrote that from probably great-grandmom's notes. And we're going to assume it's working. 'Cause I used to make it all the time.
I thought that was great-great-grandmom's handwriting.
It could have been great-great-grandmom's recipe. But anyway, we're going to try it now. So what do we have here, Beau? Do you know?
I know.
What do we have?
We have butter.
What is that? We have melted butter as opposed to softened butter.
Yeah.
Okay, what else do we have?
We have
Sugar.
sugar.
We have baking powder.
Baking powder.
And we have flour. Eggs. And we have anise extract for the flavoring. Okay, so we're going to get started. It's a simple ingredients, simple recipe, but they're very delicious.
And I have to...
Here we go,
and
right?
And I have to crack...
How many eggs?
5.
6.
6 eggs.
6 or 7.
6 or 7, yeah. Woo. Anyway, we're going to get started right now, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. We got our mixer, right? We're going to put in the sugar. Here it is.
I thought I had it.
Let me put it over here so you can do it. Got it?
Oh, Luke's not in here.
Okay. What else? At this point, we're going to put the butter in. Even though we're not creaming it, we're going to mix it together. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoops. Okay, that went in fast because it's actually melted. Okay, here we go.
Hot butter too.
Well, it's warm.
Warm butter.
We're just going to actually just stir that. We don't need to cream
What?
it. The butter in the... Here, turn it on.
Turn it on
Yeah.
for you.
Right here,
Look,
right here, baby.
Get it locked.
Okay, locked. Locked and loaded. There we go.
So,
There we go. So we're going to just mix that together.
so we don't have flashbacks.
We don't have flashbacks. That's right.
There will be so much editing on Luke's part.
Okay, so we just really wanted to get that mixed a little bit. Okay, we're going to add our eggs. Here, you want to shut that off? Okay. Here, you want to start cracking, buddy?
Yep,
Got it? Okay, there you go. I think you did, my boy. There we go. Another one, please.
Oh.
Number 3. Maybe so. You go for number 4.
Number
4.
4. You ready?
Yep. I'm waiting on you.
Got it.
Okay. Go for number... Oh, you did, boy. Number 5. Thank you.
Good cracks.
Good cracks, yes. And number 6.
Got it.
Wow, that was the fastest we've ever cracked eggs, Beau. Woo! Okay, we're just going to get them all mixed in there.
And I'm gonna clean out.
Oh, you don't have to clean it out, but you go for it. You know what? We can probably put our anise in here. Or anise flavoring. We're going to put that in with our wet ingredients. Thank you.
What's in our dry?
Right here. What's in the dry ingredients? Flour and baking powder. Okay, so we have all our wet ingredients in here. We gave it a little mix. And right now we're going to put our baking powder into our flour and mix it up. And then we're going to put our flour in slowly and mix that, and that should be the entire recipe.
We all have our Christmas stuff here. I'm fixing it.
No.
I have my hat. It's the holidays, guys.
Okay?
I asked.
Oh, it already fixed.
Here, you want to mix that a little bit? Okay, turn it on. Here you go. Here you go. Ready? Help me dump.
Oh.
Okay, let's get that mixed up so we don't have that flour explosion. No, not, that's fine. Okay, ready? A little more.
A little more. Okay. More.
Yep. And we're going to get rid of this before we have that added to our flour. You want to dump some more?
Yeah.
There you go. Ready? Alright, that's it, babe. So, we want to make sure this is, all the flour is incorporated. Let me check that out. Oh, it's locked. It's locked. I have to lock it.
Oh, just
Because Grandma makes messes. And we have a mess with the flour everywhere anyway right now.
I'm gonna.
Okay, let's do another stir. There we go. Here we go. Right over here.
Oh, you didn't lock it.
Oh, yes, sir. I locked it now. Okay. All right. We just want to get it all fully incorporated, and that's about it. Watch your fingers. Okay. Okay, shut it off. One more. Thank you. Okay.
No.
Okay. Okay. And trying to get this off, and there's our batter. It's a nice yellowy batter.
Yeah, it's a nice
Is there
yellow.
And you can you smell it, Alice?
Is there anything
Is there anything what?
else?
No, that's it. It's a quick batter.
That
Okay. Okay, so we're back and Beau's gonna taste the batter for us. What do you think?
Oh.
What do you think? You like that taste?
Try.
Mm.
You.
Pretty good. I'll have another piece. Okay. So we're going to make small loaves on a, what is this stuff?
Parchment paper.
Parchment
sheet.
paper lined bin.
You want me to dig some out?
Yeah, here.
Oh
Got it? Help me.
my God.
Help me. Help me.
I'm not saying a bad word in here,
Okay.
people.
All right, we need more.
What do you want?
And you could just make loaves out of it. And they don't have to be perfectly shaped.
Want me to
They're
roll
going to
it?
spread. Don't make them too huge. 'Cause
Want me to roll it?
No, we don't have to roll it. We're just spreading it. Okay, like that.
Okay.
And then we'll just spread it a little bit. Ready? Got it? Okay. All right, let's turn this around, make another loaf. Huh? Here, I'm gonna grab some.
And make sure you have your oven preheated.
To 375. Nope, we're gonna get the sprinkles. And we are gonna sprinkle away. And we have Christmas colored sprinkles.
A quick break from the video for a short message from the Now I Can Northeast Foundation, the sponsor of today's video. Now I Can is a nonprofit pediatric therapy clinic in Lidditz, PA. Now I Can provides intensive therapy for children with disabilities, like our amazing star, Beau. Their awesome team focuses on helping children reach developmental milestones through customized intensive programs. Personally, they have helped Beau pass so many milestones and also have been a great part in Beau's journey of conquering CP. Currently, Hope the Elf is causing mischief in the clinic's gym. make sure to give them all the support on their social medias. And before we get back to the video, let's give them one more big thank you for all they have done for Beau and the many families they have helped. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi! Welcome back!
And
Well,
here,
welcome back. Back here is our...
finished biscotti, right?
Finished biscotti, and these look amazing.
And they smell pretty
Giant
good too.
doggy.
They're giant.
They are
So when you
giant.
make your loaf, they will grow, believe me. So you might want to make a smaller loaf, whatever. But here we got 3 loaves out of that recipe, and we're going to slice them up and taste
Oh
them.
my god, the third one's heating.
Right? Are we going to
Yeah.
slice them up and taste
Let's
them?
try it. I'm excited.
All right.
I'm
excited
excited,
about-
too.
So we're going to slice. So you can, if you want, you can put these in the oven and toast them, and then you would have like a store-bought biscotti, or even a homemade biscotti, but you don't have to toast them either. Okay, you want the end piece? All right, Beau, they're warm, but they're not hot.
I want that
Okay.
piece, actually.
Okay, here.
Thank you. Here's the pumpkin itself.
So it's not a super sweet cookie.
Cookie.
Well, they're supposed to be cookies, yeah, or biscuits. But they are very tasty. The anise really makes it special.
I
And
wanna show
we
you the-
decorated them for Christmas.
They have that cakey, like, look.
It's a little cakier than a normal biscotti. Do you like it, Beau? It is tasty. So, we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. A napkin, sorry.
Look, I didn't do our
And, what, we didn't do our what? Oh, our review. What do you rate them, Beau?
We have to chat about them for like 5 minutes because that's how our videos go.
No, we can't do all that chatting anymore. What do you think, Beau? What do you rate it?
You're gonna get the... 7.
7 out of what?
10.
Only 7 out of 10?
13 out of 10.
Really? What do you really think? Do you think 7 out of 10?
No, I think 13 out of 10.
Okay. Well, you heard it here from Beau.
Now it's...
Beau is eating his Italian heritage here. And he likes it, so I'm glad to hear that. Why did that just fade in and out? Anyway, is this on the make list, the remake?
Do your guys' reviews.
My guys' review?
I thought it was pretty good. Tastes good. It was easy to make, a surprisingly easy
Really easy.
recipe. And we say that for most of the videos, but then they turn out to be like,
And you get
Bye.
right, and you get a lot out of this. We have another loaf back there.
yeah, and the loaf is massive.
they're massive.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh.
So it's short, it's sweet, very easy to make, very
So that's
easy to cut up, serve. And if you put little decorations on them like we do, very festive for your cookie tray. And you got a substantial cookie here.
If you could call it cookie.
Yeah,
I'm
and,
gonna call it
and it's
cookie.
very tasty.
I ate almost that whole thing.
Beau ate his own.
Beau is literally inhaling it.
Mm-hmm. So, what do we want to say? Anything else?
Plugs. Time for plugs, kids.
I...
Okay, if you haven't already, and there's also a reminder for those of you who have, and thank you to those of you who have. But if you have not already, please like, subscribe, always subscribe, comment,
Yeah.
comments help so much.
Go,
Suggest new recipes, whatever you want to do.
Right. We'd like to make any some other recipes that you
If
might
you
have in
suggest
mind.
it, we'll make it. Share it. Share it to your friends and family.
I even got...
Oops, I missed it.
What do you got? What'd you got? Anyway, they're busy eating, so
Wait.
now we just would like you to subscribe, ring the bell.
Ring
Have
the bell,
a very
like,
Merry
comment,
Christmas.
share to your friends and family. with
Thank
this
you for
festive
watching
time.
us. We appreciate every time
Yep.
you come back here and
Yeah,
Thank
bye!
you. Wait, we forgot to plug. Follow us on Instagram, BEAU_and_ROE. Beau dropped this thing. Beau, see we can't stop everything will be in the description down there.
bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.